Episode 29, Xavier's Legacy in the Philippines. Hello everyone. In this episode, we shall delve into St Francis Xavier's remarkable but indirect influence on the Christianization of the Philippines. Xavier's legacy played a significant role in the formation and continuation of the Christian faith in this archipelago. Xavier's indirect influence on the Christianization of the Philippines. While St Francis Xavier didn't physically visit the Philippines, his missionary endeavors indirectly influenced the Christianization of this archipelago. His wider influence in the region laid the groundwork for the introduction and growth of Christianity. Pre-existing contacts with missionaries. Xavier's legacy was intertwined with the efforts of other missionaries who had direct contact with the Philippines. The Jesuits, inspired by Xavier's mission vision, played a crucial role in the eventual Christianization of the islands. Formation of the Christian faith in the archipelago. The efforts of Xavier's followers and other missionaries contributed to the formation of Christian faith in the Philippines. They worked towards evangelization, introducing Christianity and laying the foundations for its growth. Establishment of early Christian communities. Through the work of Xavier's followers, early Christian communities were established in the Philippines. These communities formed the basis of the Christian faith, which gradually grew and integrated into the cultural fabric of this archipelago. Influence of Christianity on local culture. The introduction of Christianity into the Philippines led to the integration of Christian values and practices within the local culture. It played a pivotal role in shaping the ethical and moral framework of the society. Continuing Christian presence. The Christian faith, introduced and nurtured by Xavier's followers and subsequent missionaries, continues to have a significant presence in the Philippines. It has become an enduring aspect of the nation's identity. Impact on modern Christianity in the Philippines. Xavier's indirect influence continues to be a part of the narrative of modern Christianity in the Philippines. The Christian faith remains a dominant religious influence in the archipelago. Cultural and religious integration of Christianity. The integration of Christianity into the cultural and religious landscape of the Philippines stands as a testament to Xavier's enduring legacy. His indirect influence was instrumental in the formation and continuation of the Christian faith in the archipelago. St. Francis Xavier's indirect influence through the work of his followers and subsequent missionaries played a significant role in the Christianization of the Philippines. His legacy remains an integral part of the enduring presence of Christianity in the archipelago. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's influence indirectly contributed to the development and continuation of the Christian faith in the Philippines, making it an essential part of the nation's history and identity.